Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is ChrisHanXoxo. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my gel polish at home step by step. In my last April favorites video, I mentioned this nail kit from Madam Glam. It's like a DIY home kit for nail polish, gel polish. So you guys are pretty interested. I have some questions and comments on both Instagram and YouTube, and so I feel like I want to do this tutorial and show you guys the details how exactly I'm doing my gels at home. So from removing my old gels, applying the new colors using the UV and LED lights, you guys will see the whole process. And let's move on. So this is how I DIY my gel polish at home. It's a very basic tutorial. I'm not a nail artist. I'm just showing you how a beginner can do it at home, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing this channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!